Mobility defines our ability to fulfill personal and professional responsibilities, like making it to and from work, caring for loved ones, or embracing the role of parent chauffeur. It's also about the ability to seize the day, to plan travel, hobbies, and simple shared moments with those closest to us. And it encompasses our ability to function as a society in a safe, reliable, and equitable manner. The Iowa City area is home to 100,000 people and has been experiencing steady growth. Specific areas, including the American Legion Road corridor, have witnessed this growth through new residential expansions and educational facilities. Recognizing the current and planned development of the area, the city sought to undertake necessary corridor improvements to accommodate all mobility modes. By considering existing and anticipated traffic patterns, community events, and lifestyle behaviors, our team designed a complete streets solution. The design included implementation of a roundabout capable of facilitating all forms of vehicular traffic, from cars to semi-trucks. It also added on-street bike lanes that spanned the corridor, off-street sidewalks, and a strategically placed pedestrian underpass adjacent to a new elementary school. We are thankful for the opportunity to partner with and to serve Iowa City as it continues to strengthen and enrich infrastructure for all members of the community.